Welcome back. In today's video, we will analyze this market movement step by step using a structured, smart money trading approach. This chart is a clear educational example of how price is guided into premium areas through inducement before a sell-side move takes place. We will study how an order block forms, how price is encouraged higher to attract buyers, and how institutional participation becomes visible through a change in market structure. Rather than focusing on predictions or trade signals, this breakdown is designed to help you understand why price behaves the way it does and how liquidity influences market direction. If you are serious about improving your chart reading and patience, make sure to follow Discount Trader and support my channel for more structured, educational market analysis. Now let's begin this explanation and read the chart objectively, exactly as the market presents it. Now, let's focus on the break of structure and why it is a critical moment in this chart. Before the break occurs, price is still respecting the previous bullish sequence, even though it has already reached a premium area and reacted from the order block. At this stage, weakness alone is not enough to confirm a sell-side move. Professional analysis requires clear structural confirmation, not assumptions. The break of structure occurs when price decisively moves below the last protected higher low and closes with strong momentum. This event signals that buyers are no longer in control and that institutional selling pressure has become dominant. It is important to notice that this structural break happens only after price has been pushed higher to attract buyers and collect liquidity. Once the structure is broken, the market shifts from accumulation and inducement into a distribution phase. From this point forward, the focus is no longer on buying strength, but on understanding how price may continue toward lower liquidity areas. So in this chart, the break of structure is not just a technical level being broken. It is confirmation that market control has changed. Now, let's focus on the order block highlighted on this chart and understand its role in market behavior. An order block represents an area where large market participants previously entered the market with enough volume to influence price direction. In this example, the marked zone shows the final bullish movement before a strong bearish reaction, which identifies it as a bearish order block. What makes this area important is how price behaves when it returns to it. Price is deliberately guided back into this zone after liquidity is built below, allowing institutions to rebalance or add to sell positions at higher prices. This upward move is often interpreted as strength by less experienced participants, but in reality, it serves to attract buying interest into a premium area. Once price reaches the order block and fails to continue higher, it signals that selling pressure is active and bullish momentum is being absorbed. This order block does not provide a signal by itself. Instead, it offers context that helps explain why the market later shifts direction. For traders watching, the key lesson here is patience. Wait for confirmation and structure change rather than reacting to price entering a zone. Now let's focus on inducement and how it functions in this chart. Inducement refers to the process where price is intentionally guided toward areas that encourage market participation, usually in the direction opposite to the final move. In this example, price is pushed higher into a premium zone and toward previous highs, creating the appearance of bullish strength. This upward movement attracts breakout buyers and encourages existing sellers to exit early, which increases available liquidity. From an institutional perspective, this move is not designed for continuation, but for preparation. By encouraging buying activity at higher prices, large participants are able to distribute sell orders efficiently without resistance. Once sufficient liquidity is collected, price loses bullish follow-through and begins to show weakness, setting the stage for a structural shift. Inducement on its own does not confirm direction. It only creates the conditions needed for the next phase of the market. In this chart, inducement explains why the strongest upward move appears just before the market transitions into a sell-side move. The key lesson is to avoid chasing strength. When price moves aggressively into obvious areas, it is often building liquidity rather than confirming continuation. Now, let's focus on sell-side liquidity and its role in this chart. Sell-side liquidity refers to resting sell orders that are commonly found below obvious lows, equal lows, or clearly defined support areas. In this example, after price has completed inducement and confirmed a change in market structure, the objective shifts toward these lower liquidity pools. The move lower is not random or emotional. It is a controlled price delivery designed to reach areas where sell stops are clustered. These sell stops provide the necessary liquidity for large market participants to reduce or close short positions efficiently. Notice how price accelerates as it approaches these lower levels, reflecting increased participation rather than panic selling. Once sell-side liquidity is taken, momentum begins to slow, and the market may pause, consolidate, or rebalance. This behavior confirms that liquidity, not prediction, is the driving force behind price movement. In this chart, sell-side liquidity explains both the direction and the completion of the sell-side move. The key lesson is to understand that price moves with purpose. After structure changes, the market often seeks obvious liquidity rather than continuing endlessly in one direction. Now let's focus on how sell trade execution is approached in this chart from a professional market perspective. Execution is always the final step, never the starting point. In this example, price first moves into a premium area and attracts buying interest through inducement. However, no execution is considered at that stage because market intent has not yet been confirmed. The execution phase begins only after price shows a clear change in market structure, indicating that selling pressure has become dominant. After this confirmation, price often retraces toward areas of previous selling activity or imbalance within the new bearish structure. This retracement provides an execution environment where participation is aligned with market direction rather than anticipation. The focus of execution here is not about catching the highest price, but about entering with confirmation and controlled risk. As price continues lower, the trade remains aligned with the delivery toward sell-side liquidity rather than short-term fluctuations. In this chart, sell trade execution is the result of patience, structure, and alignment with market behavior. One important lesson for traders is patience. The market does not reward speed, it rewards clarity. Not every move is an opportunity, and waiting for confirmation is a skill, not a weakness. Professional traders focus on process over action, understanding that missing a trade is often better than entering without structure.